Yo, this thing weighs like 120 pounds. I'm gonna carry it all the way over there. Hey, say what's Gucci to the Genesis. Guys, look how dirty or like messy my trunk is. Like, there's a lot of shit there that, like, this is from Christmas, like almost a year ago. A random pair of ice skates. Freaking crazy. Pretty sure I'm not the only one that has random stuff in his trunk though. Let's get in a cold start. See how we sounding. Okay. I know I have not posted this, but check this out. Your boy is running E85 now, boy. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Fatboy, aka Fatboy Sneakers. Welcome to another video. You guys can already tell from the title of this video, we are gonna be installing a downpipe on the GTI. My friend's Kevin GTI. And yeah, so I literally just woke up. As you can tell, I look like trash. I literally just woke up and it's 7 a.m. I'm about to go help him. We tried to do it yesterday, but we just couldn't do it. So yeah, he lives like 30 seconds away from me. All right, see you guys when we get there. Bro, look at this very hard working man already on the grind. Okay. You said, what?
These screws, where are they?
I gave them to you.
Those right there.
What screws?
That piece.
What piece? Where the bolt is?
Yeah, the bolt.
Yeah, the one we took. We tried hard to take it out.
Yeah.
Remember, it was right here. It was right here. I'm like, Kevin, here's the nut. This is for that piece we took out, and I gave it to you in hand. Why are you looking there? I gave it to you in your hand, Kevin. And but I brought more tools. I got the big boy today. So that's the downpipe that we're trying to take out. We literally spent like whole 3 hours yesterday trying to take this piece out alone, downpipe. Everything else is simple. Like, we got it down to the last step, and yeah, like we spent like 25 minutes at least to take out everything we needed to take out, except for that last thing that took us like 3 hours. So this is the downpipe right here. It goes all the way back here, back to the mid muffler. The downpipe ends right here. Right, so this is the resonator or the Cadillac, and it goes all the way down there. So what we couldn't figure out was to pull that from right there, because once you pull it out, the O2 sensor gets stuck on this heat shield and you can't take it out. And you see the O2 sensor is right there where my finger is, so it gets stuck right here. We're trying to take it out, but we couldn't. We ended up, like, we don't want to fuck up the O2 sensor, obviously, so it was basically impossible for us to take out. And we tried to take out the O2 sensor alone, but we couldn't find a tool or like a way to get it out, because once you try to undo, like, it's really fucking tight, like it's super tight, so it's kind of basically impossible to take it out. So yeah, we're gonna try to take that out today. Kevin's running out of patience. Also, they see this big iron block right here? This right here, whoever put it there is a dumbass. Let me tell you that right now. That is the stupidest thing ever, and it basically stops this because at the end of it has like a big fat piece of iron. So it touches that, and that block right there, it does not let us take this out. But yeah, Kevin's running out of patience. He says either we take it out within an hour, if not, we got to put it back on and take it to a shop. I'm telling you guys, this is the easiest thing you can do if it wasn't for that. Like, if it wasn't for that block or the O2 sensor, we would have had this done yesterday, like within an hour or less, because this is super easy to install. Like I said, we were literally at the last step, and this is the last step. It's just taking this out. And then the aftermarket one is so easy to install and put back in because it doesn't have this big fat thing. So you could just basically slide it in. So that's our problem right now, and we're gonna try to get it and see if it works. By the way, if you have a GTI and you're trying to do this, yeah, it's basically, I know a lot of people do it easily. Like, you've seen YouTube videos where they just pull it out, it's easy. I don't know how the hell they get it that easily, but I guess this car is just terrible and it's fucked up. Explain what just happened.
My life sucks, and everything in my life makes me want to kill myself. We took out everything. Everything was all good. It all just needed to be pulled out, but it didn't want to pull out. It was like clenching, like its tight little hole was clenching it, and it didn't want to come out.
So what are we gonna do next?
have someone else do it for us.
Yeah, so we're gonna take it to a shop because we couldn't do it. Well, it's not that we couldn't do it, we just couldn't take out the O2 sensor. So Kevin just wants that shit done. He doesn't want to struggle or stress about it anymore. So I guess we're going with the second option. We're going to an exhaust shop, and we already made the appointment, so it's confirmed. It's at 10, and yeah, we're just gonna get cleaned up and get ready, and then we'll go.
Guys, look at this dude, bro. His car is messy as hell.
It's dirty. Please, if you guys can, try to avoid that. Try to keep yours clean. I mean, my wheels are dirty, so you can't see that, but other than that, it looks decent. It looks decent. Look at all this shit we did.
That has to be us.
2,000 years later.
Look at the smile on his face.
Yeah.
Bro, is that a fucking plane? No, it's a bird. Wait, hold up. GTI. Let me hear that shit, man. One more time. Woo. It's a good sounding GTI. Alright. You should see the smile on your face. It sounds good.
2,000 years later.
The smile on this dude's face was freaking priceless. That's what the car community is about. It's about fucking up your car, getting the check engine light on, and still having a big ass smile on your face at the end of the day, making your car louder, making your car faster. It's just all a big part of the fucking community, and it's just amazing, and it's priceless, and literally fucking priceless because we can't afford all of this shit. But you know, we still do it anyways, even though it drains our pockets, but we still do it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna try to record more about my car. Lately I haven't been recording much about my car. Literally I got it tuned on 93 and E85, and I did not record a single thing, which I really do regret. I wish I could have recorded so I can share it with you guys. I'm gonna try to record more of his GTI whenever he gets something done. I'm gonna try to record it and post it, share it with you guys, and you know, we run into some struggles that you guys are, so hopefully we can help. But that's pretty much it. That's gonna wrap it up for today. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Your boy Fatboy, aka Fatboy Sneakers, is out. Peace.